guys? Booney from Backwoods Customs, back with the 300c Hemi all-wheel drive. We're having some issues right now. So, check out my lighting situation, right? Now, I'm gonna go in here. I'm gonna move the switch all around. Notice how nothing's happening? You hear that? I'm gonna turn the fog lights on. Oh, nope, that didn't work either. So anyway, we're gonna start at the headlight switch and hope that that is what the issue is. And we're gonna get into that in a second. So you can see this is a revised switch. Instead of having the fog light here like this one does, it has it on that, which I guess is okay. But I looked and that's how they all are. So you can see you have a couple little tabs here. So what we're gonna do is, can actually get these on our eBay store. Pretty soon we're gonna be dropping a whole LED interior light kit, guys. So everything's gonna turn to LEDs on the inside. We'll get to that later. Right now, I gotta take the kid home. So just kinda, actually it might be easier to get the bottom one out since there's only one. Or this switch could be different. There we go. We got the bingo bango. So you got a little Chrysler lock here. So you want to pull that. You want to pull that back like that. And then that's also going to be your release trigger. So as you can see, still an OEM Chrysler one, if that number helps you at all. This unit, same style. So we'll clip her in there, make sure you do the lock, and don't put it in upside down. There we go. Now, let's go back to the front of the car. So we're on auto. Now we're on off.
We're on off?
This is off.
Okay.
This is park lights, so it should light the orange one up. This is headlights. Now those are fog lights. Nothing on the fog lights.
No. But the headlights are working.
Well, those fog lights are actually, no, I used the bulbs. Wonder if I never plugged that bumper harness in. I wonder that's why the fog lights don't work.
I don't think you did. You probably didn't.
Well, we'll get into that later. Right now we have lights so that actually work. Yeah. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for this video. I know it's just a little short one, but I'm sure it'll help many of you since I have this issue. I'm sure other people do too. These cars are getting miles put on them. This one has nearly 250,000 on it. So it was an all-wheel drive Hemi. I saved it from the junkyard that I work for. I didn't want to see it go to the scrapper. So to be honest with you, that's how we ended up with it. So it's going to be it for today, guys. If you like this video, please hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. We're doing a bunch of content on this, on my cruise, which is going to the dealership. Blew up at 40,000 miles. And that's going to be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching.